It's good or you're nakasimangot.
Mutton soup.
Ayun, si Dani ang Hello guys! We will try to eat doon sa yon, Al-Kashka. Now it's past 2 PM na. Kagagaling lang namin sa event ni Eliana Potpot. And we don't have food at home, so we will just eat here. Masarap daw yung chicken dito. So, order na lang tayo. Wait, Daddy. May Al-Kashka pala dito. Akala ko dun lang sa Hamdan. Meron din pala dito. So, napalapit. Let's see. Oh, yan. Wala pa masyadong tao.
Can I see that?
Yan, pipili tayo.
Daddy, looks like breakfast.
Yeah, you choose your own. Fish, Filipino food.
I know, is that spicy?
Atin lang ating buong manok eh, oyo. Kanyag kang makanini, ba, brochure.
Picking one.
Ha?
Picking one.
Tingnan naman Pilipino kayo. May Filipino food din sila.
Papa, this one? How much?
Anak ko, pwede na yung ilanay niya.
This one. Because I like it.
Arindahin mo. Palabok meron.
Daddy, there's sandwich.
Burger.
Palabok. Karamihan ng food dito, mga grill.
I don't know what to choose.
Gusto
I'm
ko
not
yung
grown up yet.
chicken.
I'll just let you choose now.
Okay.
I don't know what to do. Because maybe when I order it, it's too expensive.
Ba? Atin na
I
naman
don't want
kakanin
to
o.
order yet, Daddy.
Aluway ini. Aluway kini ni. Makanya dito rin.
No, you ordered din sa dita kanina.
Yung wilit kasi. Ayan.
Daddy, I don't know how to order here, Dad. Can you do it?
Antay in-order ta kanita.
Mutton, tsaka
Ay, ni yata. Ini?
Arabic.
Chicken biryani. Okay, nice. Ito ang sa akin. Yan.
Daddy, these are
Shawarma,
both the same.
16.
Which one is the stop?
Yan ang kanilang
These are
mga
both color a little bit
menu.
same, which is salt.
That is pepper, this is salt. Pepper is darker.
Oh, I see it. Yeah. This one is salt.
Yan, marami din silang mga kari-kari items. Ay, meron din silang mga mumoy ngaos na kain. Wala mo, kain na.
I love you, Daddy.
Why only daddy?
Mahulog kasi, mahulog ano.
Not only Daddy, you.
Burger na yun. Meron ring ano.
I'll try to order which is not expensive, Daddy. I'll try.
Oh.
I don't need to.
Pinakang Philip.
Itang kaon.
Yung anak
Chicken.
mo.
Pantun niya ka rin yun. Ating nito nga ka eh. Ating dim lelot.
Inikya ka?
Wa.
One Arabic chicken biryani and one mutton. Yung anak mo.
Nanaking baby.
You want
Baby, which one you
fried,
like?
fried rice?
Subuhan ako niya yata.
Or pasta?
Wait ang maputi sauce. Where is the pasta? Itang white sauce.
Okay na
Yan.
rin kami.
Ali kasi iniyaman-yaman. Ininam. You want pansit or pasta?
Noodles.
Pansit. Pansit na mo, oy.
Noodles.
Wow. Kananing pansit niyan. Ano yung pansit tamo? Where is
You
the
have mixed fried noodles.
stir fry noodles?
Where is it?
Ini yata ini.
This one?
Ah,
Mixed noodles.
chicken.
Chicken or
Chicken noodles.
Chicken.
Same price yawo eh.
15.
Wow.
Or mix.
Atayong mix.
Tingnan na.
Eh, chicken na mo.
Only chicken. Chicken noodles.
So I add a big chicken biryani and mutton.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Ang ganda ng ambience.
Is your favorite? This one is your favorite.
No. Don't touch anything on it.
Appetizer.
One shot.
What do you call this?
This one mutton soup.
Mutton soup. Thank you. Thank you.
There's no
Vegetable salad. We have mutton soup and vegetable salad.
I need alcohol.
Yeah, I'll get alcohol.
Can you fill it up with
Rub together.
Can you fill
Back and forth.
Can you fill ours later, Dad?
It's good na. It's good or yun nakasimangot.
Wala, let them puti.
Photo pa siguro. Let's try the ano,
Mm.
What you feel like?
salad.
It's
Mix.
not chicken, it's
Mix.
crunch.
Meron siyang apple. Apple, carrots,
Wala yung pomegranate.
pipino. Ano yun ito?
Yun
Wait,
sa
let me
ating
check.
pomegranate.
And it's a little not good.
Don't eat it na. We'll wait for your
Where Daddy should do.
Eliana always loves salad.
there's apple.
Any kind of
There's a pomegranate.
vegetable
Where's
salad.
Pomegranate. But there is a small seed in the middle.
Let's check
You just
the...
crunch it.
On the corn.
Kera kala na ito burin. Naning moton kasi.
Moto, yun yun.
Nano nga.
That is
Ano
corn.
nga?
That's corn.
Ulam.
Try natin po.
Daddy, this is the apple.
Paras.
I wanna
Spicy.
It's called down pan.
Ay, tama. O, daddy, sa'yo na yan. Ayoko. You want more apple? Here, oh. Ring. Daddy loves the soup.
Me too. Green apple?
That's a little bit sour.
I like it.
Yeah.
Tamo. Ang sarap kumain ng vegetable salad
Some persons are
niya.
eating outside.
But it's good to sit here.
Sometimes there's a wind, ano?
Yan. Mas maingay. Ha?
What is this cucumber?
You want more apple? Here.
I want the green apple.
Green?
No, I already have na.
Ako, sige.
I'll eat the green apple.
That is finished.
Ah, that was so quick.
Cancel the order. I'm full.
Okay, let's go.
Daddy, they finished one more.
Daddy, you eat pa this one.
Daddy's not finished.
That is like a machine. Sabi na niya, kinurap ka mo, yari.
Yeah. You don't like it?
I have it. I like the red avocado. I like it. My
You don't eat the onion. Just keep it there. I thought you like the onion.
Hindi mo ba lang mais? Ito yung first salad na ang daming laman. May mais, may
onion is too hot.
Don't
Ano
eat
yun?
it now.
pomegranate. Granada sa atin.
Daddy,
Parang meron pa siyang parang chips. Oh, ubos na yung salad. Tara na. Who's the winner? Who's the winner of jacket?
Daddy. And baby.
I don't like that.
Sit.
Give to daddy. Give to daddy, and then when he finish, we will go.
Oh.
You will eat pancit pa. Hmm? You have to eat more na.
Hug me, Dad.
Hmm?
Love me.
Can you sing Pascal's Happiness?
Ano sing na yun?
May tatalo.
Louder.
May tatalo ka ba sa puso
Lakas.
ng Pinas? Oh. Ang galigayahan natin walang
Lakas.
kupas. Ihalin na walang pera. Basta tayo'y masama-sama. Ibang-iba talaga. Ang Pasko sa Pinas.
Ang galing.
Ano nga to?
Iyan, ayan. Ayan. Our chicken. Arabic chicken, right?
Yeah.
What do you call this one?
Yogurt.
Yogurt. This one?
Pickle.
King
Lemon pickle.
Ah, I see. Thank you.
Because
No yogurt for me.
Ito na ang
No
aking
yogurt for me.
Arabic chicken.
it's okay. I wanted to for you.
Malaki yata yung manok Kenny.
The soft onion for you, Dad.
Pero yung kanin, ang dami.
Can I help? Can I help?
Yeah, later.
Ayan, for 16 dirhams. Plus mga kung ano-ano.
Daddy, I love it.
Later, anak, we'll wait for your food. Don't play this one. They will
We'll wait
buy
for
it.
daddy's order. Daddy and Eliana's order.
Wait, anak,
Ito yung
oyster
Arabic.
sauce.
Arabic chicken mandi.
That's the patis.
Not for
Ayan.
children.
Malasa.
Ito na akong papara.
Alang?
Papara.
Daddy, is that spicy, Mommy eating?
No, you can have that
No.
also.
Can I try, Mom?
I'll get some.
Oh,
Ma-oily. Ay, hindi.
Mix mo.
Dapat pala may mix pa.
Oh, there's orange rice. Yeah.
Yung manok talaga nila dito masarap.
This is the one I love.
Yung Arabic chicken. Dapat pala i-mix. I think no need. Yeah, no need. Ano yan? Diyan yan? Ah, piniyan?
Eh, siguro. Kumabot. Nakakain. Wala akong nakaplate.
What is this one?
Nanay kasi yan ay.
And can I have a chicken?
Yeah, we'll ask.
Yan yung
You have it.
may tungo ata eh. Oo man ako.
Okay, kala.
Wala naman yun.
Tinda ko din.
I like that chips.
Nasa na yung motor? Ayun, nasa baba. Ayaw.
Dad, I don't like the chips.
Spicy yan, daddy.
Only the chips.
Oh, this is the pancit. Chicken noodles. Ganyan po yung noodles nila dito. Matataba. Parang kanton na hindi. Ay, nga ang tawag dyan. Egg noodle siya ang tawag dyan. Ayan.
Yeah, anak ko. Black, okay?
Oh, may libreng chips. Tignan natin yung noodles. Yan. Dito laging masarap yung luto sa mga ganito. Noodles. Yan ng konting chicken.
May pakman.
Pansit. Chicken noodle. Naman.
You eat pasta.
Kaya na love pansit.
You want the onions there or no?
No.
This green one.
One.
Bell pepper.
I hate bell pepper.
Ayun. Si Dani ang masarap kumain.
Orange rice.
Ay, moton mo.
White rice, and I eat more of it. It's a little too spicy.
Yan mo ko dito ang laman. Ang malati.
Dami ako nang nilin.
Hindi, tapos yan. Yan.
Yun ang yung sauce.
Yung rice, pare-parehas lang to. Yung karni lang hindi.
How can you put this on
Yun natin yung antay sauce no? Hindi? Nanyak sing sauce ni? Hindi, kainin muna natin walang sauce. Yaman niya. Uy, ka dapat pala mag-vlog ng pamang.
Yeah, it's too hot.
Tuha.
It's kind of spicy a little.
Saning maparas. Nakikuli yung... Pero hindi ko talaga masyadong...
Papa, what's inside that big ball?
The same right. And this lamb, you want to taste lamb? Okay.
masyadong feel, pero try lang. Para alam natin yung lasa.
I'll give you little. Alright. Sige, mag-get na ka.
Maasim pala ini.
Because not.
I could feel. Yung yogurt, nawarin ka kami. Try natin may yogurt.
It's not my favorite. I got to not taste yogurt.
Yeah, not this yogurt. You love the other yogurt.
We didn't know that yogurt is not for kids.
Kain natin may yogurt.
I thought the yogurt tastes good. Right now, it's not.
No, you're eating the other
Sa iba
one.
masarap to.
The sweet one.
Ako hindi ko masyadong feel. Chicken lang talaga sa akin at saka yung pansit. Tsaka to. Ay, libreng chicharon. Mm.
It's a balloon. Balloon pop. Yeah. It's back already.
Are they gonna blow it back?
No, it's already broken.
You got the pop balloon.
Baby, give me tissue. Thank you. So, doon talaga ako sa Arabic chicken tsaka yung pansit. Noodles, chicken noodles.
Only one leg.
Did I have to?
So, we'll enjoy our food pa more.
Really?
We'll back to you later.
Don't put your...
You see the one with the B and R in the window? That B and R?
Yeah.
The I is a design.
Yeah, there's the sun and the pale.
Yeah. And they always, Daddy, you see the, wait, let the truck pass first. Dad, you see the eyes?
Bago mo nang kakaiba.
Dad, you see the eyes? Light.
Itang fried onion. Yan wala.
Dada, the eyes are light bulb.
Fried onion. Ala, ano sa kabit daw
Always
yun?
a light bulb. You see?
Yeah.
Oh. Home. Home light. Home. So we buy light stand.
Get a little bit of pansit. Ito kay pansit na yung order ang kumain. Hmm?
Ayun, kay Kami. Kunan mo na yun.
Baka nandito na.
Spin mo.
Ay, yung rice ko. Hindi ko maubos yung rice ko dito. Ang dami.
I love you, Mommy and Dada.
Love you.
Daddy, what can I call you if I want to talk to you?
Mga ganitong kainan, yung kanin ko, hindi ko talaga siya naubos. Sobrang dami ng serving nila.
After Daddy.
Say hi na.
Hi. It's like soft.
Maghapon.
Saka yung... Maragol na yung karin. Kaliwa pa ang grill. Parang nakain kayo.
Focus kitchen point. Don't touch that one.
Hindi na tomato. It's good. You like it?
Dada, is Dave eating at home?
Maybe.
Oh,
You want to some again?
next time we will join them. Yeah?
Follow your food now. We will go home, Liliana.
We're done eating na. Sobra ka busog. O, saan tayo lalakad?
Tondo.
Tara na matulog. Lalakad muna kami papuntang Hamdan para masulit yung araw. At kami ay bibili ng pang exchange gift. Kung meron. Pag wala, sa weekend na lang tayo bibili.
Hold hands each other.
Ha?
Why would you just hold hands each other? I don't.
Because we want you to be in the middle.
But I don't need to. Let brother be there.
Brother?
Yeah.
Brother is still in...
Well, grab your belly up and put it there.
Ay, talaga yaman. Oop.
I love you.
Atin lang.
Is that Sana? Sana.
Yes, Sana. She knows how to read na little. Ay, lamig ng hangin. Ngayon ay 3:30 pa lang ng hapon. Pero ang lamig na. We're going Hamdan. Tingin-tingin lang kami.
T-R-A-D-I-N-G.
Naradaan tayo sa day to day. Tara, let's go. We're going day to day. Don't touch, anak. Hello, Santa. Hello, another Santa. Mga chocolates. Aakyat tayo doon.
Stationary section to quarter 9, please. Stationary section.
Pasko na. Nakikita mo na mga display. Puro Santa Claus. Oh, tara sa taas.
I don't see anything.
Oh, you will see now. Daddy, which floor? Daddy, which floor?
One yata. Mezzanine. Magkakatira yung mezzanine.
Listening. Pero hindi ngusong-ngusong kayo. Hamas sila pala, oy.
Dad, it's
Eh?
Luffy.
Pag nagka-camping, ito yung mga pinaglalagyan nila ng gamit. Maleta. Kailan kaya huli ako bibiling maleta?
What is that?
12 in 1.
Nanyin.
A laptop set?
Nya, piano.
Dad, this is a laptop set. Dad is a laptop.
Ini 12 in 1. Oh.
Nanong 12 in 1? Pang lalaki na naman yun eh.
Yung tic-tac-toe. Yung chess. Racing.
Kaya sa kang magbanyan.
Ganun. Snake and ladder. Checker.
Parang i-feel parang
Metong yan, 20.
Itong babae. This. Baby Kenny.
It's a penguin. Oh. I want that.
Which one?
Bye for now, guys. See you in our next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Diets Fam.
Puro kitchen.
The penguin.